Hey guys, this is Thumbtack. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Thumbtack account password. If you don't have a Thumbtack account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Profile. On this page, you will see an option for Account Settings. Click on Account Settings. Under Account, you will see an option for Password. Click on Password. Now on the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Save Password. That's how you change your Thumbtack account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northviltech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.